In this video, I'll quickly show you how to fix the 9Router update issue. So first, let's open command prompt and launch 9Router. Now, if you check the current version, you'll see it gives an option to update. But when you press enter to update it, nothing happens. That's the issue. Sometimes the built-in update command doesn't trigger properly. So here's the simple fix. Close everything. Close 9Router completely. Now go to the official 9Router website and copy the installation command again. Then open command prompt and paste the same installation command just like you're installing it fresh. Since 9Router is installed globally using NPM, running the install command again will automatically update it to the latest version. Wait for the installation to complete. It usually takes less than a minute. Once done, open command prompt again and type 9Router. Now check the version. As you can see, it's updated to the latest version. And that's it. That's how you fix the 9Router update issue quickly and safely. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.